This is going to be a model Titanic sinking using this bottle. Wet from previous uses. With a hole cut out in the bottom and the top. The top hole represents the grand staircase. The bottom hole represents iceberg. And we're going to be sinking it in my bathtub filled with water, cold water, to demonstrate the effects. And the cap is going to be on so it won't sink as fast. Alright, now, directly after the collision. So, we've hit an iceberg and we're sinking. What? But this ship can't sink. She's made of iron, sir. Are you sure she can? And she will. So, we need to board the lifeboats immediately, before the ship sinks. Oh no! No, it's too late! No! It sunk. However, because it didn't crack is because I have no idea how to do that with a bottle. And it sank too fast, but it was just a demonstration, so now my hands are wet from picking it up, so you might have to watch this last few moments. Alright, thank you. Bye. See you later. I might have another one of these videos posted if I can figure out how to crack the ship. Any ideas? Post them in the comments and I will check them out. Bye.